Classic Winnie the Pooh. Storybook images. All combined together to go on this cake for her first birthday. So I've hand painted some little bees on and then handwritten one of the famous quotes from the Pooh Bear books. I've used some edible images, backed them onto some icing to give like a 3D effect. Then I've cut out and painted some clouds, some bushes, made a little beehive at the top, and then cut out some letters and just gone around those with a black pen just to give it that sort of oldie worldy storybook theme. A simple yet very cute and effective first birthday cake.